Sometimes it happens that we go to enter our Facebook application and suddenly all the data has been deleted. Maybe the update had an error and logged us out of the profile, and we go to enter again and suddenly we don't remember the password. Maybe we changed devices and we can't access your device either. Okay, so in this video tutorial we're going to explain step-by-step how to recover a Facebook account without knowing the password or email address. How are we going to do it? Well, it's very easy and simple. Just pay close attention to this video tutorial. With that said, let's locate the settings option. Once we're in settings, let's look for the account option. Then, we'll tap on Manage Account. Then select Google, and then tap on Manage Google Account. This will take us to this section. We'll select Security. In Security, we'll go to the last Options. Here we'll find Manage Password. Then we'll select the Facebook option. Here we'll be able to add a screen lock to our phone. Here, we'll find our Facebook username and password. After we've copied them, we'll log in, and that's it.